In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blur effect in Adobe Illustrator. If you want to soften an image, add depth to a design, or create a more polished visual look. Illustrator makes it very easy to apply a blur effect. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Gaussian blur option, which is one of the most common and useful blur effects for smoothing edges and reducing sharp detail. To begin, select the object or image that you want to blur. This is important because Illustrator will only apply the effect to the item you currently have selected. So before moving on, just make sure the correct element is active on your artboard. You can click directly on the object, image, or shape you want to modify. Once your item is selected, go to the top toolbar and click on Effect. From there, find Blur in the drop-down menu and hover over it to reveal the available blur options. Then choose Gaussian Blur. As soon as you click it, a small settings panel will open. This panel is where you'll control the strength of the effect. Next, turn on the preview checkbox. This is a very helpful step because it allows you to see the blur effect applied in real time before you confirm anything. Instead of guessing what the final result will look like, you can watch the changes directly on your selected object as you adjust the settings. That makes it much easier to choose the right amount of blur for your design. Now adjust the radius value. The radius controls how strong the blur appears. A lower radius gives you a subtle softening effect, while a higher radius creates a much stronger blur. It's a good idea to increase or decrease this gradually so you can find the exact look you want. If you're working on something detailed, even a small change in radius can make a noticeable difference. When you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the blur. Illustrator will then add the Gaussian blur effect to your selected object. And that's all it takes to create a blur effect in Adobe Illustrator. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in the overall feel of your artwork. Just select your object, go to Effect, choose Blur, and then Gaussian Blur, preview the effect, adjust the radius, and click OK. With just a few clicks, you can give your designs a softer, more refined appearance.